Yo, what's up guys? Back for another daily technical analysis video, and I have three large patterns in the making playing out right now, possibly. So the first one I'm going to show you, I've shown this in the previous videos. It's the huge cup and handle pattern where we just trade sideways for a little bit, right? And then I discovered two new huge patterns playing out, and they're correlated to the halvings, right? So this is the last halving. This is where the current halving is, right? These arrows. So I'm going to draw these for you right here, right now. So we have a possible M pattern right here where it dumped before the halving. A nice little M pattern right there. And if that was playing out right now, it'd be right here. M pattern where we have another dump still. Slight another dump, right? It'd be a good 20%. Just like right here was a 50% dump. I'll take it just to show you guys 50% dump, well over. And I don't think we're gonna get a 50% dump, but a good 20% dump could happen. So from right now, that would be, about 50K, 25%, which would correlate pretty well with the support line right here. This would turn into support, and over here a little bit too. So that's the M pattern that I've seen. And the other pattern that I've seen was this possible pattern right after the halving. It did a little bit of went up, sideways, and then up. And even there was another dump right after that happened. So if that was to play out right here, right now, it'd be like this: up, sideways, and then up. This is a little bit more unlikely, the bullish scenario, because that'd bring us well above all-time highs, or maybe even two all-time highs, which we're just right about there, honestly. So we'd go above new all-time highs because the liquidations, right? There in the 24 hours, there's actually more longs than there are shorts now, but still overall on the weekly, there's still more shorts. So, $1 billion worth of shorts still compared to not even 100 mil, like, yeah, 100 mil barely at 66K. So there's still overall more shorts, but on the 24-hour, the daily time frame, there actually is a bit more longs. That is probably because we've been having a little bit of downwards action, right? So people are just trying to catch the bottom, which we're trading in this channel right here. So people, we're going long at 66K literally, and trying to catch a little bit more Bitcoin, So, and we're in this pattern right now. We're actually hitting the trend line. So if we're gonna be playing into it, there could be a little bit of a M pattern playing out right here. So I doubt we break out of this and go to 70K, but we could, But I think more likely we just trade into this. We go down, and like I was showing you the larger time frames on the week, I think it's more likely that we don't go up past new all-time highs right now, because that would actually allow altcoins and Ethereum to play out how they've been playing out. So I think the more likely scenario is the M pattern right here, where we just go sideways, and that would also correlate with the cup and handle, the hugest pattern that's playing out right now. So where we just go sideways, and for the Fibonacci, take it from here to here, we would get it's hard to see, but 0.78 something, 0.786 line, it would be at 50K, and we could go to 50K. From right now we go to 50K, good 30% almost dump. It's kind of likely, and it would just allow Ethereum to play out how it's been playing out with all the bullish news and ETFs accumulating Ethereum. And when Ethereum goes up, when the alt season happens, Ethereum's going to go up, all the alts are going to go up, while Bitcoin is most likely trading sideways. That is historically what has happened. So I think there was one more thing I wanted to show you guys. You could just see we're still on track into the bull market, for Bitcoin. We're just super greedy right now. So, this super insane extreme greed could be indicating that we are going to actually have a cool off in Bitcoin, and then the extreme greed could be just flowing into the altcoins like Ethereum and maybe Solana. But I'll show you this real quick. There's a smaller time frame where smaller channel that we were trading in on Ethereum or Solana, where we're kind of just we'd barely hit the resistance of this line, and I think we could go down a little bit more to this is I just took this from here, drew this and put this here, and that's about 160, 158, and that would be perfect resistance with this level and this level. So I think we might go down a little bit more on Solana, but yeah, I think that's about it that I wanted to show you guys. Oh yeah, one more thing actually. So there are, on the daily time frame, there are more longs now. Just like I was saying, there's more longs than there are shorts now. So on the daily, there's just, when Bitcoin goes down, there's more people trying to catch the downtrend because it's we're in a bull market. We're gonna go up eventually, but still overall, there's still more shorts. Like, clearly there's still more shorts. It's almost neck and neck actually for shorts and longs, but relatively there's still more shorts. So yeah, that's going to do it. That's a wraps for this video. Just how to make it real quick. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, just peace out, guys.